the addition and subtraction of real numbers. And we're just going to run through this with some examples. Okay, so the first example here that we have is minus 10.3 or negative 10.3 plus the negative number, negative 7.5 plus 3.1. What this means is we're going to start out on the number line at the position minus 10.3, which is to the left of the 0 on the number line. And if we're adding a positive number, we would move then to the right on the number line. But by adding a negative number, we'll move even further to the left. So we start at minus 10.3 and move 7.5 units to the left. So the magnitude of this number is going to become, so when you're adding two negative numbers, the result is going to be a number with a larger magnitude, but still negative. Okay, so let's take this minus 10.3 plus a negative 7.5 plus 3 becomes minus 17.8 plus 3.1. Okay, so what we've done is we've taken and we've combined these two numbers here. 10.3 plus 7.5 would be 17.5 plus 0.3, which is 0.8, so 17.8. And of course, since we moved to the left, these are still negative numbers, and so it's minus 17.8. Then we're going to go ahead and we're going to add 3.1, which this time means that we're going to move to the right. We're going to start at 17.8 and we're going to move to the right. Okay, the magnitude of this is going to become smaller by 3.1, but since 3.1 is fairly small compared to minus 17, it's still going to be a negative number. Adding 3.1, we move to the right on the number line to minus 14.7, and that's our answer. All right, we'll go ahead and we're not going to leave the number line off of it this time. And we're just going to take several terms, and we're going to just take them a pair at a time. So here we have 28, positive number, plus a negative 44, plus 17, plus 31, plus minus 94. So let's take these first two here. 28, a positive 28, minus 44. Notice that in adding a negative number is the same as subtracting it. Subtracting the same positive number. So 28 minus 44 is going to give you minus 16. Okay, minus 16 plus 17, because that's the next term here, 17. Minus 16 plus 17 is just 1. And then we're going to take this term 31. 1 plus 31 is 32. And then the very last one is 94. Excuse me, minus 94. We're going to add a negative 94, or subtract 94. We're going to end up with minus 62. And I invite you to check that, check my work, and call me on it if you catch a mistake. Okay, we're going to do this one here with some decimals. Minus 5.7 plus minus 7.2 plus 6.6. Okay. Again, adding a negative number is the same as subtracting a corresponding positive number. So we're going to take that negative sign there, and we're just going to change that positive to a negative. Minus 5.7 minus 7.2, and we're going to end up with minus 12.9. And to this we add positive 6.6, and we end up with minus 6.3. All right, that's addition and subtraction of real numbers. Give me some questions. If you have other examples that you'd like some help with, please let me know, and we can work them in the discussion board.